How to add a transparent text box to an image in Photoshop. Hit like bottom and let's learn it. To start, I added a simple text layer to my project. The first thing you want to do is select the rectangle shape tool in order to draw a box around your text. With the shape tool selected, use a color picker box to change the color. I suggest using a black or white background, but you can do this with any color. Next, click and drag to draw a rectangle around the text. Then drag your rectangle layer below your text layer so your text is now visible again. Lower the rectangle layer's opacity so that you can see your background through your shape. I'm going to set mine at around 70%. Next, double-click on your text layer to bring up the Layer Styles options. Change the knockout value to shallow and then reduce the fill opacity to 0%. Once you are done, hit OK to commit your changes, and that's all there is to it. You now have a partially visible text box with transparent text. Thank you for watching.